Jill Hayes talking there to Claire Casson. Well, with increasing awareness of mental health, the pressure is on to improve the help available. In Dorset, a new range of services are already in great demand. Access Mental Health allows people to get the help when they feel they need it without having to go through a doctor. There are centres in Dorchester and Bridport, as well as a 24-hour helpline. Our reporter Simi Osho has been to meet one of those who's used the service and now helps others.
I was in the depths of despair. I felt very suicidal. I was at a point in my life where I couldn't see any way forward.
Dealing with a disability and a cancer diagnosis in her family, Zabi Gawler struggled with her mental health for years until a friend recommended a new mental health service in Dorset where she could speak to someone.
I was in such a mess. We sat for about 3 hours with him not talking to me. And eventually, when he felt the time was right, he said, what's going on for you right now? And then the next 4 hours, I didn't stop talking.
Zabi sought help with Access Mental Health, where she now works. The service includes a 24-hour helpline and outreach centres in Dorchester and Bridport. No waiting lists, no appointments and no GP referrals are needed. It's for those who simply want some quiet time or a listening ear.
It creates safe spaces, so when people are in high levels of distress, there is somewhere they can go. And there is very well known that if somebody can go somewhere and talk to somebody at a time of extreme distress, then that does have an impact on whether they then go on to take their life.
It's only been open for a few weeks, but this retreat here in Dorchester has already had almost 500 visitors coming here to seek help. Zabi now wants to make sure no one else reaches a point of crisis like she did.
My experiences have allowed me to bring the best out of myself. I've gone from being a survivor to a thriver, and I like to see people unlock their own skills.
The hope is services like Access Mental Health will prove to be a significant piece in solving the region's mental health crisis. Simi Osho, BBC Spotlight, Dorchester.